Welcome back to Blazing Sky, y'all. We're getting ready for another two-wheeled adventure. Got the whole fam here. We're gearing up, getting ready to go. It's been a while since we rode. It's been hot again, but here we are. Let's I gotta start my bike. This damn power button broke. So, see, yeah, you see that?
Warm up our tires.
Put it on fire.
Put it on fire mode. Fire mode.
Oh, we're riding into the sun, y'all. We riding right into the sun. And there they go. Hi, doggies. Doggies. Man, I got some squeaky ass brakes. These brakes are killer. This is kind of difficult riding into the sun. At least you got some blinders on. Oh man, I love riding wheelies. I don't know about y'all. Some people like it, some people don't. Maybe because they don't know how to do it. Blazing Sky, y'all. Follow, like, and subscribe. All right, following FK and fast through here. About to go down this big old hill. Wow, nicely cut just for us. Oh, he cut in early. Not even at the steepest part. Here we go. I'm going down. I'm going down, y'all. I'm going down. Oh, the arm has been left open for us. Exclusively E580 in the house. Oh, let's leave that gate open for them. All right, y'all, we're up here at the top of the Comanche County Memorial Hospital parking garage. I don't know if the helicopter's up there right now, but let's see. I think it is. Is the helo up there? No, no helo. Squeaky ass brakes. Woo, 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 woo. Are they racing? Are they racing? I would like to race. I think I won. Oh man, how'd y'all get here so fast? Oh, they are winners. Oh, look at them cool people right there. Look at them cool people. Oh yeah, what am I doing, y'all? I'm over here down on the side of the bike. Oh shit. And there goes FK and Fast. There goes Sky and Mellow's world. And here he comes! Here he comes! He doesn't like being called Slow Bro no more. So we'll just call him Brado. Bray, whatever. Brado, like Play-Doh, or like Brado, like Homer Simpson saying dope. All right, time to go. Okay, Melody's like starting to fall asleep on the bike, but hopefully we're gonna try to revive her, take her to the playground, and see if that'll wake her up. Mello falling asleep because we just cruising slow. She likes going fast. She don't like the slow stuff. Hi. Oh, my hands are hot. She's trying to reach for it. Oh, look at that. I like her stand-up game. Stand-up gal. Okay, we're here at Elmer Thomas Park now. I'm just over here doing wheelies and stuff, man. I ain't even saying nothing to the camera, y'all. I'm just enjoying the day, enjoying the ride. All right, we're leaving the playground now, y'all.
All that like stuff that they walked off to the
One under full. Damn! Damn, son! Oh, dead red, it's green. Oh yeah. Alrighty, y'all. We here at Sonic, taking a little break. Need a little refreshment. Alright. That was a great little snack. We got milkshakes and some drinks, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We're We're ready to hit the road again. Oh, we're rolling through the theater. Cross.